Feeling a little lost in the labyrinth of expense reports? Ever stared at a crumpled receipt, wondering if it'll ever find its way into Expensify's digital embrace? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing expenses can feel like a chore, a necessary evil at the end of every business trip or departmental spend. We've all been there, a wallet bursting with tiny slips of paper, a mental tally that never quite adds up, and the looming deadline of month-end reconciliation. It's enough to make anyone dread the phrase expense report. But what if I told you that sending a receipt to Expensify doesn't have to be a bewildering ordeal? What if it could be, dare I say, easy? Forget the days of meticulously taping receipts to sheets of paper or wrestling with clunky scanners. Expensify, in its wisdom, has streamlined this process to an impressive degree, offering multiple intuitive ways to ensure your financial breadcrumbs are tracked and accounted for. This isn't just about avoiding a stern look from your finance department, it's about reclaiming your time, reducing stress, and ensuring you get reimbursed promptly. Because let's face it, no one wants to wait longer than necessary to get their hard-earned money back. So, how do you actually get those pesky receipts into Expensify? Let's dive into the simplest and most common methods. First up, and probably the most popular, is the Expensify mobile app. Imagine this, you've just bought lunch for a client. As soon as the transaction is complete, you pull out your phone, open the Expensify app, and snap a picture of the receipt. It's almost magical. The app's SmartScan technology instantly reads the vendor, date, total amount, and even categorizes the expense for you. It's like having a personal accountant in your pocket, constantly on call. You can then add a description, tag it to a specific report, and even assign it to a client if needed. It's quick, efficient, and ensures you capture the information while it's fresh in your mind, preventing that end-of-week scramble. But what if you're not a fan of mobile apps, or you've accumulated a few physical receipts over the course of a day? No problem. Expensify offers a dedicated email address for receipt submission. Think of it as your personal Expensify inbox. Every Expensify account comes with a unique email address, typically something like your username at expensify.com. All you have to do is forward or send an email with the receipt image attached to this address. It could be a scanned document, a photo you took with your regular camera, or even a PDF invoice. Expensify's intelligent system will process the attachment, extract the relevant data, and create an expense entry for you. This is particularly useful for online purchases where you receive an email confirmation with an attached invoice. Just forward that email, and Expensify does the rest. And for those who are tethered to their desktops, the Expensify web application also provides a straightforward way to upload receipts. Simply log in, navigate to the Expenses section, and look for the Upload option. You can drag and drop receipt images or PDFs directly into the browser window, or browse your computer to select the files. Again, SmartScan will get to work, digitizing your expense and populating the necessary fields. This method is fantastic for batch uploading receipts after a long trip, or when you're working with digital invoices already saved on your computer. Finally, let's not forget the power of connected accounts. Expensify can directly import transactions from your credit cards and bank accounts. While this doesn't directly send receipts, it acts as a powerful complement. When a transaction imports, Expensify will often prompt you to attach a receipt. This helps you reconcile your spending with the corresponding proof of purchase, ensuring no expense goes undocumented. It creates a seamless flow from transaction to reported expense, further reducing manual entry. So, whether you're a mobile warrior, an email enthusiast, or a desktop devotee, Expensify has a method tailored to your preferred workflow. The key is to find the method that fits your habits and stick with it. The easier it is for you to submit receipts, the more likely you are to do it consistently, leading to happier finance departments and, more importantly, quicker reimbursements for you. No more lost receipts, no more frantic searches, just streamlined expense reporting at your fingertips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.